Hello students, so in this video we're going to discuss how to find radius of a circle from its area. So recall that to find the area of a circle we have a formula. Area is equal to pi r square, where r is the radius of the circle. So to start with, let's see a simple example. Given that there is a circle with radius rcm and the area is equal to, let's say, 9 pi cm square. So to find what is the radius, we simply use substitution. Now we know that the area is 9 pi cm square and the formula is pi r square. So we can start with pi r square is equal to 9 pi. And to solve such equation, we first of all divide both sides by pi, so that we simplify the equation to r squared equals 9. Well, this is a new equation for you, but I believe that by common sense you can guess what r is. So let me give you 3 seconds. Have the answer? Well, we all know that 3 squared is equal to 9. So by common sense, we know that r in this case is equal to 3. Because 3 squared is equal to 9. Easy, right? So let's see another example. This time, again, you are given a circle with radius rcm and the area this time is 14 pi cm square. But to start with, again, we use substitution. We know that pi r square is equal to 14 pi. And then we divide both sides by pi. Well, we simplify the equation to r squared equals 14. And if we just use common sense to guess what r is, well, it's like that we cannot come up with an integer where its square is equal to 14. But we know that 3 squared is equal to 9 and 4 squared is equal to 16. So r squared equals 14 means that r is in between 3 and 4, so maybe r is equal to 3 point something. But that's a very rough answer, right? That's a approximation. How to have a more accurate answer? Well, here I need to teach you a new term called square root, which you should have learned it in the previous chapter, but unfortunately we skipped that chapter. So anyways, let's go to see what the new term is. Well, when r squared is equal to 14, we say that r is equal to square root of 14. Well, you may ask, what is the meaning of square root? Well, when we go back to school, I can explain it to you more details. But here, let's use it at the 2. So r equals square root of 14. What is square root of 14? Now get your calculator. You can see that there is a key, square root. So simply input this key and 14. So let's do it together, and then close bracket. You will see something like this, and then press execute. It's equal to 3.74 something. So that means the square of 3.7416573867 is equal to 14, which leaves r equal to 3.74 if we correct it to 3 significant figures. So go back here. R squared equals square root of 14, and by using calculator, we know that square root of 14 is equal to 3.74. Alright? Well, I'm going to give you the last example. Well, this time, again, you are given a circle with radius rcm and the area is equal to 300 cm square. So to start with, again, we use substitution and divide both sides by pi. We know that r squared is equal to 300 pi. 300 over pi, I'm sorry. So by using calculator, 300 divided by pi, remember how to find the pi key? It's this. Okay, so you will have 95. Okay, just write down all the numbers, all the figures. So r squared equals then what is r? R is the square root of this number. And you simply press square root of the answer. So let's do it together. Square root of the answer and then execute. Well, and then on the screen you will see well, if we convert it to 3 significant figures, we know that the radius is 9.77. Okay, so I think the first part is not hard for you. The new part is the new term square root. I hope you understand and can finish the assignment. So enjoy your day.